Hello and welcome to another update video about Link. I'm gonna change the wave count here a bit. Not that it changes this scenario at all, but just to account for the fact that this is a very long sideways action. I think the previous ABC scenario isn't gonna work out. I think we are rather here in a triangle pattern, but also this is coming towards, you know, the exhaustion, and would most likely lead here to another dip. I mean, at the moment you could argue, you know, this, you might even consider that an ascending triangle, but let's be honest, here recently it couldn't really push higher, so I'd rather look at this in terms of a contracting triangle. So from an Elliott wave point of view, we would say this is an A, B, C, D, E. The wave E would peak somewhere here. I mean, you could say the wave the wave E was in here. That is definitely valid thought. It has reached here. This is a 3-wave pattern, so you could say the wave E has fulfilled its minimum requirements. We can also double check sort of the length of the wave E, a target for that. Ideal target for the length of the wave E would actually be 887 because it's a 61.8 extension of the wave C. Length of the wave C, now we haven't reached that yet. And also the way this looks, it doesn't really look impulsive on the way down yet, and it hasn't broken the wave D. So there is a good chance we push a bit higher here. I don't know if the wave E was already in or not. The point is this move down doesn't really look impulsive yet. We only have 3 waves down, so it's not a 5-wave structure down yet. If we had 5 down, I would say, okay, probably the wave E was already in here. So I've just given you a key target at 887 for a wave E high, and I think we might see that. As long as we're holding here in the triangle pattern, as you can see, we're still holding above the ascending trend line. There is no confirmation that we are coming down yet. First indication that we are breaking such a trend line would, such a triangle would of course be a break of the trend line to the downside, then a break of the wave D low, that's at 621, and then a break of the wave B low. The break of the wave B low is at, or would occur if we break below 527, and then I think we can move down further. The length of the, or the height of the triangle, yeah, let's add that to a possible breakout point. I mean, that would take us quite far down. Would actually take us down to 250, even more bearish than my assumption here of 290 to 350. So that's sort of how I see this. I think Link is, at least it doesn't show any bullish signs yet. This is a bearish consolidation after a long downtrend. So for me, there is no bullish signal yet. All these highs have been lower highs. Yes, the lows have been higher lows as well, but it's sort of triangle, it's sort of trend continuation pattern. And really only if we break above 1150, I would consider more bullish options here. The reason for that is that above 1150, the daily trend will change to the upside. So its focus is down. We had here our short area, yeah, a short trade area. Any short that was opened in this area would be in profit by now. But I think we might have a chance to push back into this again and max it out to 880 or 887, wasn't it? So yeah, can't really add much more to this. The bearish target remains in place. No bullish signals here in the chart yet. And I focus further on the downside for Link. All right, so hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.